ZipE introduces an intuitive, open platform that enhances anchor-based tendon-to-bone repair by adding the missing bioresorbable tendon-side compression solution of reconstruction and fixation. In tendon-to-bone repair, initial fixation matters, but long-term success depends on how forces are controlled and distributed across the tendon during healing. Two of the most critical and often underestimated causes of failure in traditional repairs are tendon retraction and focal load concentration. Following fixation, the tendon is naturally subjected to retraction forces, while conventional suture loop systems concentrate stress in limited areas of the tissue. In traditional suture loop intraosseous fixation systems, suture is passed through the tendon and locked within the bone as the anchor is inserted. Yet this bone-centered fixation does not fully control the tendon interface. As a result, focal stress combined with retraction forces may contribute to gap formation, tissue strangulation, and rip-through during cyclic physiologic loading. ZipE introduces an innovative tendon-side repair logic designed to address these limitations. Its BioLock mechanism enables controlled one-sided button advancement and sequential fixation, while bio-washer technology expands the tissue support area to improve tendon hold. By adding vertical compressive forces and distributing load across a broader tendon surface, ZipE helps counteract retraction forces while reducing stress concentration. This creates a stronger, more balanced repair construct designed to maintain tissue position and integrity during the early healing phase. With ZipE, the surgeon can maintain a preferred anchor strategy while introducing a new layer of control on the tendon side. Following suture load and anchor placement, ZipE enables two complementary enhancement approaches: a centralized reconstruction pathway, where the tendon is captured and reinforced through controlled button deployment, or a distributed reinforcement approach, where buttons are applied at each anchor point, creating localized compression directly beneath the sutures. Both strategies converge into a balanced construct, adding a bioresorbable tendon-side layer that enhances visualization, control, and overall repair integrity. By combining anchor-based fixation with controlled tendon-side reconstruction, ZipE helps complete the repair by creating a stable biomechanical environment that support tendon-to-bone healing, remodeling, and early functional recovery, while helping reduce the risk of structural failure and revision. Because repair is more than tendon fixation, it is about the restoration of biomechanics you can rely on.